Hello viewers, in this video let's see how to perform Mandukasana, the frog posture. Okay, before that I hope you are all safe inside your home in this COVID situation. Keep yourself healthy by doing pranayama. Let's see Mandukasana, the frog posture. It helps in improving your diabetic condition because it triggers the internal organs. When we make a fist and pierce it into the stomach and you breathe, it will insert, and with the breathing it will trigger the functioning of the internal organs, thereby it helps in improving the situation. So let's do Mandukasana. As you know, the starting posture for all sitting asanas is Dandasana, the sthiti. This is Dandasana. Now let me get into first Vajrasana. How to do Vajrasana? Bend the right leg and keep the feet like this, as seen, as shown, and not like this. Keep the feet like this. Now bend the left leg. I am sitting comfortably in Vajrasana, the only asana that you can do after having lunch or eating anything. It helps in digestion. It helps a lot. Now Mandukasana, Brahma Mudra, keep it under the navel. Inhale, and while exhaling bend forward and try to touch the forehead to the floor without getting up from Vajrasana. Your back should be still resting on your legs while you are bending forward. And try to do as much as you can. You don't have to do it absolutely the final posture. But try to do as much as you can, and as time progresses, you practice, you'll be able to do it completely. So you might feel slight pain in the stomach. Do not worry. If there are some gases, it will get released. So all these side effects will happen, but it's for good. Inhale. Now exhale and bend forward, and I'll stay there for 5 breath counts. We can stay up to 15 breath counts. Exhale and go down. Inhale and slowly come up after 15 breath counts. Release the Brahma Mudra. Take deep breaths and now relax in Sthitila Dandasana. The relaxing posture for all sitting posture is Sthitila Dandasana, where you stretch your legs slightly apart, put your arms back, drop your neck, shoulders, the body, rest on your arms. Just take deep breaths and relax. Watch yourself. Be aware of what's happening internally within your body and your mind. The pain, stretches, breathing pattern, your emotions, be it positive or negative. Scan through everything completely. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.